everyone. We are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews today. And me and my mom got the Amazon Astro. We got invited to, I know that's probably a scam. They just do that to charge a lot of money. But they said this is going to be $500 more than what it is, than what we paid when it comes out. So, and we only had 5 days to accept it. So that's why we did it. So I'm going to do an unboxing real quick. We're going to split this video up into pieces. So let's just get everything unboxed, see what comes out of it. And like I said, we just got it. Remove side clip 1. All right, so it says start here, open me up first. This is the charger. They can see this, right?
Yeah, right.
This is the charger and all this other stuff. I'll come close so you guys can see what it says. There we go. Okay. That's kind of what it says. You guys can pause that. So here's the welcome kit that they give you for Astro. So I do not know what any of this, oh, this is the charging dock. So this is where Astro is going to go to charge. So let's open up all the plastic and see what everything looks like. So this is where Astro is going to go to charge. So we got to pick a place that Astro, or I guess maybe you can name it something else. So we got this in here too. I don't know what this is, but I'll just show you so you guys can give that a pause and kind of read what, me and my mom are going to read this, and then we're going to, know about it better when we do the review. Oh, that's garbage. And then we'll know more about it. Like I said, I just want to get it unboxed right now. Oh, sorry. So you guys can give that a pause. And then this is the welcome kit that they give you. We'll peel this open real quick. This is the welcome guide. So, well, it's all blurry. There you go. Can you see that? There we go. All right, so well, just in case we lose the directions too, at least we can just look at my video. Okay, these are stickers. I do not know where they go. So there's a bunch of decals. I don't know where you put these decals. I don't think we're going to be sticking decals anywhere, but I don't know. But anyway, these are what the decals kind of look like. There is a ring, protected by ring, because this connects to ring and shows you. If the doorbell rings, this will come over to you while you're sitting on the couch and show you who's at the door. So you don't even have to get up. Isn't that cool? You're not going to use that because we don't have any visitors, but I'm going to tell Denise to start ringing the doorbell. So I don't know what this is. No idea what it is. See enclosed welcome.
The stickers.
What is that? Oh, where you put the stickers. Okay, all right. So like we're not gonna really do. I don't know. Like I said, we gotta test this thing out. Like I said, I know. There's crazy stuff in here. So what's up? Nothing else in this? Okay. So this is in here too. I think this is the cup holder. So if you want her to bring you, a drink from the kitchen, it goes inside this cup holder. It's like a cup holder in your car, I think. Look, see? So you could put a cup in there and she could bring you coffee, okay? But you got to find someone to make it, okay? So, oh, here's the charger. Here's what the cord looks like. Oh, it looks pretty cool. I want to see what it looks like because I like electricity. Okay. wow, it's like your Dyson cord. Like you feel it when you pay hundreds of dollars for crap. Remember your Dyson cord on your hair dryer? You were like, oh my God, why this cord's like $50 just for the damn cord. That's why it was $400 for that damn thing. But anyway, feel the cord.
I can see it.
You see it? It's like a, yeah. So anyway, this is the cord right here. It plugs in obviously to that. Oh, it's like a 120 volt adapter that goes on your, this is common for laptops. They used to use this for laptops for 120 volts, very common. So that's what they didn't, like there's no new design or anything. And then there's a ground right here. So that's all that. I mean, I'm not gonna show that off. So we're gonna show Astro off. So it says lift, volume down, volume up, Astro button guide, I don't know. All right, so this is kind of what Astro looks like. Has a 10-point-something inch screen, so it's comparable to your old Amazon Show. It's the same exact size as your old Amazon Show. That's how big the tablet is. So this is supposed to move up and down when Astro talks to you, and all that other stuff. And see, look there. I wanted this to show up and be like, Karen, put your bag in here. I'll follow you to your room. I'll take care of you. But I couldn't, like I said, I couldn't figure, oh, wow, it's so smooth. It better be smooth for the price. But oh my God, Mom, you feel this, so smooth. It's like butter, how smooth this is. It's gonna be so quiet going around the house. So this is what Astro looks like. I guess these are all the lasers in here that sense everything. And there's the charger where it's gonna go into, the 3-prong, because it has, 3 of them. And that's about it. So that's it for the unboxing review. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. All right, everybody enjoy it. Be safe. I'm out. I'll see you on my next videos.